WELDCLASS are running the great Gasless giveaway. Simply buy a roll of this anytime between now and the end of the year, and you can go into the running to win $1,000 worth of great WELDCLASS loot every week. And entering's easy. All you have to do is upload your receipt to the link in the description and you're in. Why wouldn't you? So why is this wire so good? Its low spatter and smooth arc makes you look better than you are. And the minimal slag makes finishing the job easy. Because this wire is so good, it's pretty forgiving with welder settings too. You don't have to have them spot on to end up with a good result. It's even good when the job isn't. Platinum GL11 is my go-to gasless wire. Get yourself some today, enter the draw and win some great gear. And you'll enjoy welding with it.